Hey guys, this is Bluebird. Today, we're going to show you 10 ways to kill Purple Bird. Okay. Step number 1 is push him off a cliff. Okay. Ow. Okay. Let him miss the pig and game over. Okay, pigs, you can get us. Oh. Oh. Okay, step number 3. Okay. Let lightning bolts fly on him. Take cover. There's gonna be a lightning bolt. It's gonna take us. Number 5. Pick him in the nose. Okay, step number 6. Put it in. Okay, guys, this is not gonna be really pretty. You can't watch this. Okay, step number 7. Use some. Okay. Because Jeff was right next to me just a few feet away. Okay. Step number 9, I think. Squat trip in the face. Hey, Invisible Mo. Ouch! But nothing. Okay, so. Okay, I think this is number 9 or 10. Okay, let's start with number 10. Let King Pig hit him in the face. Hey. I'm gonna have some eggs and egg sandwich. Oh my gosh, bird! Ouch! Oh my gosh, another bird! Ouch! No, I can't have my eggs! Okay, that's pretty weird. So, that's how you kill Purple Bird. I mean, your boyfriend in your space. And I do! Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Don't dislike. I will get mad at you. Ha. No one can mess with Bluebird and his buddy. Okay, guys. Subscribe and comment if you like it or not. And like. Put a like on. If you don't like it, that's okay. If you do, if there's a lot of dislikes, I'm going to peg you in the face. Okay, bye now. This is Bluebird out.